Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, my people. As always, Mama Selva here. Today, me go take you down a memory lane. Make I tell you something. You see, as me see this here bus here, it take me back in a time, you know. Me remember when me and my granny, Miss Selva, used to have to get up before day and we'd have to take bus to go to town. Yes, man, we have to take bus to go to town and we would have packed with like a scandal bag. Back in them the day, for my granny did have one sitting when named Dulcemina. Me no happy with me right here now, but this here bus here, man, it look like the one when me and my granny used to take. Make I tell you something. You see when you're going at that the bus there and you sit down, all when you go over the mountain, them and the hills and the valleys, and it shake you up. Lord, it ride nice, you know. And when we have go through, man, we had to go through Kellits, we had to go through Crafts Hill, we had to go through Top Hill, Lidersville, and when we reach a town, so me used to look forward to them the day there. No man, me tell you say them they are sweet memories. Sometimes day and me I think and me wish we could have go back to them the time there when life did so simple. Make I tell you no something. Drop a line below and tell me if you remember taking any of them your bus here back in the day, whether it be Grey, Miss Clipper, Beverly's, Doreen, anyone. As always, Mama Selva, have a beautiful morning, afternoon, or evening, or night, any which part of the world on the day. Me gone in a me bus here now.